Hi, this is Shashank. Today I will be telling you about a beautiful trekking place of Karnataka which has got a history too. Before that, please do like and subscribe my channel and click on the icon button.
Mutyala Maduvu, way to the Pearl Valley. If you are a nature lover, drive from Anekal is a pure bliss with the greenery, fog covered skies, and the cool breeze. We can see the nature in its best form. For those who wish to escape from the busy, bustling schedules to a peaceful hangout, Mutyala Maduvu would be an apt place. This tourist attraction is located near Anekal, Karnataka. This place is also known as the Pearl Valley. It is located 5 km from Anekal and 40 km from Bangalore. Situated in the heart of hills nestled deep down in the secluded valley, this place makes a great refreshing as well as an adventurous trekking spot. You have to climb around 400 steps to get to the falls. The real fun begins at this point. There is a path which runs deep into the valley. You are free to roam around and explore the place. As you go deep inside it, you can't believe to find a forest so close to the city limits. Imagine walking in middle of the dense forest, hearing the waterfalls cracking and the silent water finding its way near your pathway. Mesmerizing, isn't it? Yes, this is the beauty of Mutyala Madavu, popularly known as the Pearl Valley. This nature's beauty has some tales attached to its admiration, like tigers visiting the place to drink water and sages meditating for Lord Shiva and other things. With the dense forest around, it's a picture perfect for trekking and camping. Trekking has become a major adventure sport here and made it as a most attractive destination for trekkers, giving an opportunity to trek. Just after the steps, you will find a small stream of waters which are often confused to be the main waterfall, and most of the visitors stop here and don't go further. The initial part of the trek is mostly involved walking around and exploring in jungle, discovering the paths of the streams. Most of the trekkers and adventure enthusiasts use the path along the tiny water bodies that flow beside the temple. Yes, temple. There is a temple in between the dense forest, and it is known as Mutyala Ishvara temple. Walk further inside the jungle, and finally you did it. Mutyala Madavu is a multi stage waterfall. Water directly falls off a cliff on a beautiful rock formation from a height of 92 meters. I bet you the whole experience will be overwhelming. During the monsoon, it would be a little crowded, but winter mornings will be the memorable ones. Here, there's option for swimming too. Yes, the small lake by the side of the waterfall is popular with tourists. It is a shallow lake where you can enjoy splashing with your friends and family. In fact, many visitors to Mutyala Madavu do take a break here for an energizing swim in the natural waters. And you may ask, why is Mutyala Madavu known as Pearl Valley? As the place is known for its waterfall and mountain ranges, the water from the falls slides down the flora of the place, creating an illusion of string of pearls. Hence, it is known as the Pearl Valley. And also, this Pearl Valley is known as Bird Watcher's Paradise. Along with an awesome variety of flora, you would come across a spectacular variety of colorful birds and their chirpings. The combination of pleasant weather, dense forest, cascading waterfalls, and the chirping birds make this one of the best places to visit near Bangalore. Just make sure to start early from Bangalore and bring your own refreshments as there are not many restaurants around. And safety is the primary concern at Mutyala Madavu waterfall. So we suggest to hang out with a group rather than going single. Also, plenty of monkeys are seen here in this area. So be careful about your food packets and other valuables so that you don't end up losing into the monkey's hand, which are quite common here. And also, there's no entry fees, but you have to pay amount of rupees 30 as a toll to enter a barricade. So this is all about the Mutyala Madavu waterfalls, the Pearl Valley. Thank you. Keep supporting us the same way. And here are few nearby places which you can go on your trip. Do like and subscribe and share.